Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm Aditya and you're watching Hey Shinday. So, welcome back to another video. This is no regular vlog on my channel. Actually, this is an unboxing video of a product I have ordered from Design Info. Actually, this is a mic for my vlogging setup. And I have ordered it from Design Info because they were providing huge discounts on it. And recently, this brand is also getting noticeable online, so I have ordered from them, and many people were also having doubts whether this company is legit or not. So let's review them, see whether the product is legit or not. And apart from that, this is not a paid promotion video. Actually, I'm getting a cashback reward on reviewing this product, so there's no gimmick in it. I'll give my honest review about this delivery and everything from this. So let's start the unboxing process. As you can see, this is the original packing from DJI. Yeah. So let's see inside this also. So some paperwork, official DJI, and this is the bag I have got for this microphone, and here's the microphone. You can also see it's a sealed pack. So here they are. Yeah. So I've got these two mics. I've got these two mics and the transmitter with this. Also a connector. So this is the whole pack. And let's test them. Actually, this is a genuine company, I can say that after looking at everything. But let's also review the product and see if the mics makes any difference in this. So let me connect this to my phone and check it out. So this is the audio from this mic. I hope you can hear the taps. And also the fans are running. Usually what happens is whenever I turn on the fan, my phone's internal mic doesn't work properly. There's a lot of noise in it, and I hope this mic is working well now, because this also has active noise cancellation, and we have also got this windshields. I hope this mic is performing better than my phone's internal mic. And let me change it to my iPhone's microphone and see the difference. So this is the audio from my phone's internal mic. I guess you are able to hear the fan's noise. So that's a difference between these two. So yeah, this product is genuine, and a 5-star for Design Info for making it available at a discounted price, and a 5-star as well for this DJI Mini mic. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.